bride wanted a winter wonderland wedding. She wanted to get married in the snow. And I'm not saying that I personally arranged for all of this, but I'm not saying that I didn't. Definitely moment here, definitely moment back there, but you can move this forward. I just want something a little bit more exciting, and especially for her, she needs the rose moment, she needs the orchid moment. I think the size on this is good, but I do want to peel layers roses and give it some texture.
This is super wrinkled, so I feel like I can just stretch it in. You couldn't go all the way up because of these series and because I wouldn't want that to be out of frame.
So don't worry about it. I already had the idea that this may have been happening. I arranged with the hotel to extend everybody's rooms by 1 day. This is when I'm most valuable. This is when I'm at my best, when I'm painted into a corner and nobody knows what to do. I'm never gonna fight you on safety. If you tell me it's not safe and we can't do it, then that's the answer and there is no discussion. You tell me it's not safe, we're done. I am never going to jeopardize the safety of my couple, their family, their friends, or my crew for a photo. And so we are making some style design changes. Am I wet? Yes. Am I cold? Yes. But am I so excited and so happy because these people, this crew, these teams are next level and they are getting it done. We have less than 3 hours to turn this space around, and I have the world's greatest couple and they trust me, and that means everything. So let's see what we've got. T-3. Keep the bars on both sides. If you need to move a tech table somewhere, move the tech table this way, facing the aisle, right up against those lights because it'll be black and it'll disappear. I want to blow their guests away. I want their family and friends to say, oh my God, how did she do this? What I know I want is I want continuous music. So this is this. For the, I am not walking under that ladder. This is a dream. I've said it for years. It is not about the stuff. It is about how the stuff makes you feel. And when she walks down this aisle, underneath the stars, the snow, the moon, and these beautiful, beautiful lights, she's gonna feel magic. And that's what I want. I am blessed and humbled beyond measure by the creative forces that I have an opportunity to work with. You guys make me look so good. I'm gonna cry, and I can't do that because for the first time in my professional life, I am not walking my bride down the aisle, but I'm meeting her at the top of it. And I need to stay in a good place until then. So thank you guys. Enjoy the ceremony, enjoy the wedding. I love you. Vision. You are perfect. You're so ready.
I'm so happy
so
you're
ready.
doing it.
I'm so happy I'm doing it too. There's nothing to worry about. We're just talking. It's just you, me, and Rob having a conversation. That's all we're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you. This has been,
Oh my God, no, you can't.
this has been the honor of my life.
You're so special to us. You literally, I can't even tell you.
We're good.
Thank you
No,
for
we are bad bitches. We are not going to do this. We are not going to do this. We are bad bitches. We are not sad bitches.
But I adore you.
No.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Really. I could not be more honored that you're doing this, really. It means so much to us, so. We're going to be lifelong friends and you'll never get rid of me.
I'm family. That's fine. And after this, salad in troughs for days. All right, you guys go.
Oh God, I love you guys.
Okay, here. And now, with the power invested in me in the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, you may kiss your bride. This has been a 6-day feat, and we are not only complete, but we are complete early. My couple is here behind me. They're taking everything in just like I did moments ago. They're walking through the room and they are remembering every second we have spent over the last 2 years. My bride wanted dark and moody. She wanted contrast and she wanted to be dazzled. And I think that's what we've done here today. So thank you so very much for joining us on this journey. It has been a pleasure, and I am very much looking forward to opening up these doors. They're married. But the only reason I get to do this is because of you guys. Blueprint Studios, Hensley, Javier Valentino, they had to leave because they've been working around the clock for days. And so they are going to miss this. But none of this happens without people in this room. From the bottom of my heart to my team, Angelica, Amberly, Taylor, I don't even know what to say, Rose, because you have been amazing. I've got Matt, I've got Nicole. Jordan Quinn-Office, you have never done me wrong. Jacob Creative, you are the man, the myth, the legend. Brian B., I've been waiting fucking 10 years to do this with you, my man. We are getting it. Christian Starbucks, you guys are iconic. We're gonna clear this dance floor, open up these doors, and this is what we've been waiting for. So if nobody else tells you tonight, you have made my life. Thank you very much. You have never seen this before because, quite simply, it didn't exist. This is what it means when you bend the world to your will. This is about taking my client's worldview and interpreting it through my lens so that I can create the world as if it was a beautiful place. I wanted them to be dazzled. I wanted them to be overwhelmed. And it turns out that I am the one who is deeply overwhelmed. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you soon.